This is the water repellent I'm using. Okay, it's Masonry Saver. That's the company name. All-purpose, heavy-duty water repellent. This is the best water repellent that you find in the market. And before you're doing it, you have to really just shake it a lot. I already shake it, so just let you know that you have to really mix it very, very well. Okay, I want to show you how do you really mix it, because it's really 5 gallon. It's quite heavy. So you have to flip it over on its, see, and just, you flip it and you shake it. Okay, and here you flip it back and you shake it. You really want to mix it very well before you apply the substance on the concrete, otherwise it won't work properly. In my case, I think you need to really mix it for at least 5 minutes. So I'm opening now. Remember, against the clock. And that's it. I'm using 2-gallon garden sprayer here. I'm going to put 2 gallon of water repellent into the garden sprayer. As you can see, I moved to the soil because I don't want the water repellent to spill on the driveway. You need to put at least 2 gallon. This water repellent comes as a 5-gallon container, and each gallon is good for 125 square feet. Yeah, we are in the 2 gallon now, so we can actually close it and start working. You really want to waterproof your concrete. It's not cosmetic, it's actually protecting your concrete from cracking, because water that penetrates through the concrete will cause this concrete to crack after some years. So if I start on this section here, I'm taking this gardener spray here and just starting to spray it. As you can see, I spray the concrete with the garden spray here until the color of the concrete change from light gray to dark gray, and you only need one application if you spray it properly, if you spray the concrete properly and evenly. And just let you know that I pressure wash the concrete before I apply this water repellent, and I just make sure that there is no debris and leaves on the concrete. So I already finished one section, and this is the section I finished. You can see it's more darker. Okay, you have to put a thin coat all over this piece of concrete here, driveway. Here I didn't put anything. You can see the color here is still gray, and here is darker. And this color will be slowly become back to its original color by taking probably like 2-3 hours. Okay, until when the substance will dry out and the chemical will go inside to the driveway and will create this sealed, and that seal will work for 5 to 10 years. Here I already put the sealers like 2 days ago. You see the color here is returned to its original color. As you can see here, it's sealed, but the color of the concrete returned back to a grayish color. So as you can see, I'm actually spraying this concrete from the left to right, parallel to the line in the concrete, and the real speed here is actually 4 times faster than reality. So just let you know that you really need to spray it slowly and make sure that you cover the concrete properly. That means that the concrete have to be fully wet with this substance, as you can see in this video. I just want to add that before you going to spray the concrete or the driveway, you have to verify that the weather, there's not going to be rain in the same day that you going to spray, because you really want to let this concrete at least 12 hours to dry. Also, you want to apply this water repellent when the temperature is 70 and above. You really want to apply it on a warm concrete for best result. So this is the last segment that left, and I hope to finish it. This water repellent contains a chemical called Silane Siloxane. Okay, so as a result, you really don't need two applications. One application or one coat is enough if and only if you actually spray it evenly and you make sure it covers all the concrete you need to seal. So this is the last segment of this driveway, and what I want to show you here is the color of the concrete is changing from light gray to dark gray, and that's a guarantee, or it's a sign that we cover this concrete properly, and that we really need only one application to complete this job. So I completed to seal all my driveway here, as you can see, sealed, and it will last between 5 to 10 years. Okay, and you have also warranty, so just remember it. So that's it, it's done. Thank you for watching this video.